Good morning, everybody. It is currently 4:14 in the morning, and I woke up at 2. I could not sleep, and I read a lot of my book, and I still wasn't sleepy, so I'm going to be going to the gym. Wasn't going to go to the gym today. Today was going to be a rest day, but I can't sleep, so I'm just going to do my leg day, and instead of tomorrow, I was going to cook. Don't know if I'm going to cook anymore, but yeah, my plan is to just go really early to the gym, come back, and go really early to work, get off earlier. And I wanted to go roller skating tonight, but I don't know. I'm probably going to be really tired. And also, now I'm doing a leg day, so that's like double work on the legs. It's not a good feeling, but yeah, I'm going to go to the gym. We're doing legs and abs because I'm trying to get a six pack. And yeah, I'll see you at the gym. All right, I am back from the gym. Did a great leg workout. I'm definitely going to be sore tomorrow, but I'm not sore right now. So there's still a chance that I might convince myself to go to the skating rink tonight. But if not, then, good, because I'm going to be sore tomorrow. But if I do go, good, because I'm going to have fun, but I'm going to be extremely sore tomorrow. So it's a win-win situation. But yeah, I kind of have a boring life now. I'm just going to shower, get ready for work, go to work, come back home. If I do something interesting, I'll record it. I doubt it though. But yeah, I will see you all soon. All right. I actually left out a few things. I think I was deadlifting a little bit wrong, because my lower back is achy. It's not completely in pain. It's just a little bit achy. Usually when I try to deadlift, I try to really focus on having a straight back. So I kind of like arch it a little bit like on my bottom. And I don't really know. I don't think that's the right thing to do. So yeah, I'm probably going to look at videos on how to deadlift again. And the actual other reason that I'm going skating, not just the DJs, I kind of ate bad today. And, you know, that's the only thing that's not consistent with this whole winter arc. Because I just, like, I eat healthy 80% of the time. And sometimes, you know, when I'm at work or maybe I'm playing a game, it's like I just get bored. And, like, I just need to chew on something. Like, my mouth needs to be doing something, you know? So I go, like, I get cookies or Shake Shack or something. And, you know, anyway, you know, I'm going to the skating rink and I'm going to skate really hard and in order to burn more calories than I would have if I didn't go. And my legs are probably going to give out tonight, to be honest with you. If I don't make it to 11 o'clock, that's not because I wanted to leave early. It's because I had to leave early because I got cramps. I get cramps whenever I skate really hard and like I'm really having a good time and the music is really good. But I think that is everything. So now I'm going to see you all at the skating rink. Okay, well, it was 2 weeks later. I was really sore after skating, and I just didn't feel like recording again, and I'm finishing the video now. Sorry about that. But I'm going to be doing a Leetcode problem that I did earlier today. I did it in Java. I didn't do it in C, so I'm just going to just get something going and try for a better vlog next video. So with that being said, let's just hop right on into it. So this is actually the problem of the day. Final array state after k multiplication operations 1. This is an easy problem. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k and an integer multiplier. You need to perform k operations on nums in each operation. Find the minimum value x in nums. If there are multiple occurrences of the minimum value, select the one that appears first. Replace the selected minimum value x with x times multiplier. Return the integer array denoting the final state of nums after performing all k iterations, all k operations. All right, so as you can see here, we have 2, 1, 3, 5, 6. K is the amount of operations we need to do, and we're going to multiply it by 2. So this is the smallest value, so that is now going to be 2. And now this is going to be the next smallest value that appears first. So this will be 4. And then what is this? 2. This is 4. So then this one is going to be the next smallest value. And this one's now going to be 4. And then what's this? 4. So then this one is going to be 8. And I think I'm at 4 at the moment. And then we go here and we get 6 because that's going to be 2. And that's literally what this is right here. So I don't remember what I did for the actual implementation, but like I kind of got it in my head a little bit. So min equals integer dot max value. Is it underscore value? I don't remember. I'm going to print this out just to see. Let's just return 0 and system dot out dot print ln min. Let's see what that's going to give us. Okay, can't return 0. Oh yeah, I can't return 0. Sorry, nums. Yep, there it is. We got the maximum, integer dot max. So what I'm going to do is
int count equals 0. And I think I need something else, but I might not. I don't remember. Multiplayer case. I think that might be it. If I need something else, I'll add it. While count is less than k, then we're gonna do count plus plus. That's gonna be outside of the for loop. And then here I'm gonna add a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I less than nums.length I plus plus. And then here we're gonna do if nums I is less than min, and I don't need to do less than or equal to because I know it says that you need to do it twice. That's the other value that I need. int idx equals 0. Yeah, let's just make it equal 0. So that way, if it is the minimum number, then nums I will equal min will equal nums I. And also idx will equal I. So that way, outside of the for loop, I can do nums idx, because that's going to be the minimum number, equals, or probably times equals multiplier. And then, was there anything else? No, because it's going to continue to find the smallest number each time. It doesn't matter if it's the same index twice. And then I return nums. I think this is the answer. This looks like the answer. This is not the answer. So I got 2, 32, and 3, which is wrong. So I do have a count plus plus. That's good. So let's kind of go through this. I need to reset min too. Min also needs to go back to being, actually idx doesn't even need to change because it's going to get reassigned. It's only the min that needs to go back to being the integer.max value. And that actually should be the answer, hopefully. Boom, there we go. Yep, and then I'll submit it. Boom, there we go. I did it twice in one day. But yeah, anyway, you know, I keep falling off the bandwagon. I was actually attempting to install DaVinci Resolve. Was not working. Yeah, a lot of people have problems with DaVinci Resolve. I plan on getting another Mac, but that's kind of really far in the future, possibly. But until that happens, I'm going to just keep having these vlogs where I record myself in different angles, and it's just going to be put together. And when I get a Mac, it'll be a bunch of angles, and it'll be really nicely put together with good edits. But until then, I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna keep being on my renter arc, keep trying to get bigger, keep trying to get smarter, keep reading, keep trying to do good at my job, and at some point we're just gonna be the best version of ourselves. I mean, technically I already am the best version of myself, but I can get better. I'm going to continue to get better. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. The link is in the description. Don't forget to follow me on X and Instagram. My name on X is JordanCS, and my name on Instagram is jordancs.js. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's fun.